Act out. It means to perform or behave badly. Example: the kids love to act out their favorite stories in school. Hang up. It means to end a phone call. Example: I'll talk to you later. I need to hang up now. Hurry up. Means to do something more quickly. Example: hurry up. We are going to be late for the movie. Build up. Means to increase or develop something gradually. Example: he's trying to build up his strength for the competition. Hand in. Means to submit something, like an assignment. Example: don't forget to hand in your homework by Friday. Die down. Means to become less intense. Example: we should wait for the wind to die down before starting the barbecue. Fall apart. Means to break into pieces. Example: this old book is starting to fall apart. Close down. Means to stop operating permanently. Example: the shop had to close down due to the pandemic. Look on. Means to watch something without getting involved. Example: a crowd gathered to look on as the artist performed. Look ahead. Means to think about and plan for the future. Example: it's important to look ahead and prepare for potential challenges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.